Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at what is considered one of the best safety struts for your RV bumper. The Camco Eaz-Lift Camper RV Bumper Hitch. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who enjoys biking, camping, or traveling with your RV, this product is designed to make your adventures more convenient and safer without the hassle of complicated installation. The Camco Eaz-Lift Bumper Hitch transforms your existing 4-inch or 4.5-inch square RV bumper into a fully functional 2-inch hitch receiver. What makes this product stand out is that it clamps securely onto your RV bumper, requiring no drilling or permanent modifications. This means you can add bike racks, cargo carriers, or other lightweight accessories with ease and peace of mind. Constructed from heavy-duty powder-coated steel, the Eaz-Lift hitch is built to withstand the elements and resist corrosion, making it a durable companion on your journeys. The powder-coated finish not only enhances its resistance to rust but also adds a sleek, professional look to your RV setup. Another impressive feature is the anti-rattle design. Camco includes special anti-rattle bolts that secure the hitch tightly to your bumper, eliminating any wobbling or rattling noises during travel. This ensures a quiet, stable ride, which is crucial when you're carrying valuable gear on the back of your RV. This hitch measures approximately 7 3/4 inches tall and 8 3/8 inches wide, making it compact yet functional. It is specifically designed for non-towing applications, with a recommended load limit of up to 200 pounds. That makes it perfect for carrying bike racks, cargo baskets, or storage containers, but it is not meant for towing trailers or heavy loads. Installation is simple and quick. Because it clamps on securely without the need for drilling, you can set it up in minutes with basic tools. This feature is especially beneficial for RV owners who want to maintain the integrity of their bumpers and avoid permanent alterations. The versatility of the Camco Eaz-Lift Camper RV Bumper Hitch allows you to maximize the utility of your RV's bumper space, transforming it into a convenient hitch receiver when you need it, and removing it when you don't. This flexibility makes it a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their RV without permanent changes. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, sturdy, and easy-to-install hitch for your RV bumper, the Camco Eaz-Lift provides a safe and practical solution. It's made from quality materials, offers protection against the elements, and includes thoughtful features like anti-rattle bolts that contribute to a smoother ride. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your RV with a hassle-free hitch solution, the Camco Eaz-Lift Camper RV Bumper Hitch might just be the accessory you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more detailed reviews and product insights. See you next time.